fishing with a net, no? Fishing net, no? So suddenly water has come, big water we can see, no? Flood has come, then suddenly he crossed, tying the net on his waist, no? That's why he could not cross the river, and suddenly it happens, no? Accident, we can say accident, no? He had been drawn away by the flood, by the water, big water, and then me also, I was coming from the Nongsten, so suddenly I heard that it was happening like that, so I came here to see. It is a daytime, no one is there, but his brother-in-law is there, but he crossed, but he asked help from him, but he was tired himself, no? He could not help that one. Then suddenly, recovery though, I thank the police department, they have sacrificed as much as they can. Once they heard the news, no, this thing, so they came and rushed to the spot and they look for the dead body.